If you are looking for the best programmable coffee maker, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Crups Grind and Brew AutoStart Maker. The Crups Grind and Brew 10-cup coffee maker fully programmable, but you can grind your coffee at the same time for an even fresher brew. The highlight of the Crups Grind and Brew 10-cup coffee maker is its built-in grinder. The conical burr grinder has 5 settings, so you can choose between coarse and fine grounds, and anywhere in between. According to the New York Times, a good quality burr grinder cuts beans into evenly sized particles, as opposed to powder or chunks. You can adjust the settings on this machine according to the type of bean you're using. Number 2. Cuisinart C251 Programmable Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart 14-cup programmable coffee maker. This modern, stainless steel appliance will look great on your kitchen counter, and it has a number of sought-after features that make a delicious brew every time. This coffee maker can whip up anywhere from 1 to 14 cups of coffee, so it's perfect for those who live alone, large families, and avid hosts alike. You can set brew time up to 24 hours in advance, and you can also choose between a regular or bold flavor profile. After testing the product, our reviewer especially praised the 1/4 cup setting. Number 3. Ninja CE251 Programmable Brewer. This programmable machine comes with a permanent filter that you can simply rinse and reuse each morning. It even has a coffee scoop that snaps onto the side of the machine. This coffee maker has a 60-ounce reservoir and can make up to 12 cups of coffee, and if you want to make a small batch, it has a special 1/4 cup setting. The machine uses thermal flavor extraction to give you a rich, delicious cup of coffee, as well as a bold flavor option, delay brew setting, and mid-brew pause feature. Number 4. Cuisinart SS10P1 Premium Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart Premium Single-Serve Coffee Maker is the ideal solution for those who live alone, as it makes single cups of coffee in minutes. This machine boasts a 72-ounce reservoir, and you can make 5 different beverage sizes, ranging from 4 to 12 ounces. It's fully programmable, and it comes with a reusable filter cup so you don't have to rely on K-cups. According to reviewers, this single-serve coffee maker is an unbeatable value and more versatile than a Keurig. Many say it's fast and makes a great cup of coffee, and you can't beat the auto on-off feature. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee. Most programmable machines make 12 cups of coffee, but this one can brew up to 14 cups at a time. It's not all brawn and no brain, however. The item is equipped with a litany of features and customers give it high marks in ease of use, easiness to clean, and, most importantly, flavor. You can program your coffee to brew 24 hours in advance and adjust the strength to either regular or bold. The automatic pause and serve feature is handy.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.